After solving around 15 questions, I have analyzed the patterns of merge interval. Why this is important to understand? Because most of the top product-based company ask the questions from merge interval. So basically, I have found three patterns in the merge interval. First, where you have to sort the intervals on the basis of starting index. Second, where you have to sort on the basis of ending index. And third, where you have to sort on the basis of starting index also and ending index also and keep it separate. Like if you have sorted, your starting index array will look like this and your ending index array will look like this. So you have to keep it separate. Very first pattern includes the problem like merge intervals and can attend all meetings. And when you will solve this problem by sorting according to the starting index, you will find that this is possible to solve, and it is not possible when you will sort according to the end index or so on. So in the merge interval question, you can see that you have been given intervals and you have to return after merging it. Means 1 to 3 and 2 to 6. You can say that this 2 lies in between 1, 3. So 1 to 6 can be one interval. So in this question, once you will sort according to the starting index and mark this as end and iterate from the first index, you can say that this end is greater than 2. Hence, you can say that this 2 is going to lie in between and you will create a single interval here. Second pattern is sort on the basis of end. Here, the problems like non-overlapping, minimum number of intervals, arrow burst balloons and so on will be solved by this. So wherever the question asks you to remove the minimum number of intervals, in that case, if you will sort according to the starting index, you might end up removing the maximum intervals. Hence, you have to consider those intervals first which are ending first. So the problem here is non-overlapping intervals. In this case, when you will sort according to the end, so you can say that this 3 is obviously not greater or less, it is equal. So this will be considered as one interval and one interval which are not overlapping. Hence, 1 is less than this 5, so you can say this might merge. So hence, you will remove this. But when you will sort according to the starting index, so this is how it ends up. The same question how it looks like, right? So once you will do this, 2 is less than 1 to 10, right? So you can say 2, 3 is obviously going to be merged in this. 3, 4 is obviously going to be merged in this. And 4, 5 is already going to be merged in this. Hence, you end up removing 3 intervals here. Hence, it is not valid. And the last, where you have to sort according to the start and end and keep it separate. Problems like meeting room and minimum platforms are going to be solved by this.